The prime factorization of a natural number can be written as n equals p squared times r squared. P and r are distinct prime numbers, so two different prime numbers, p squared times r squared. How many factors does n have, including one in itself? So a good problem-solving technique is to check an example, right? So this question is claiming that no matter what p and r are, you're going to get there's only one number of factors you could possibly get as an answer. So I'm going to choose values for p and r. So let's have p be 2 and r be 3, the two smallest, easiest prime numbers to choose from. Okay, so they said p and r are distinct. That means different prime numbers. And so n is 2 squared times 3 squared, which is 36. So how many factors does n have, including one in itself? How many factors does 36 have? I just have to list the factors of 36. I've got 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9. 5 is not a factor of 36 because it doesn't end in 5 or 0. And then 6 and 6. So 6 is the last factor. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 factors of 36. That is option B.